morning. Welcome to the E3 Weekly Market Report. It is the 15th of June. Export sales have just come out. Let's go straight to cotton and see what we've got. Cotton sales of 69,400 running bales. That's down 16% from the previous week and also down from the 4-week average. Increases were reported for India, 21,000 running bales, Vietnam, 15,500 running bales, and China 12,000 running bales. Let's look and see light cancellations. New crop sales for 2017-2018, 197,600 running bales. Bangladesh was first at 74,900, Vietnam 64,000, Indonesia 11,600. Actual sales or shipments 233,300 running bales. That's down 26% from the previous week, so that was a lighter actual shipment. I think that coincides with a lighter sales that we've seen. Okay, where are we? Cotton, just before this report came out, July was down 53, December was down 40, and right now we have July down 64 and December down 50. So both have dropped some since the report. Going to soybeans, net sales of 340,200 running bales for 2016-2017, up noticeably from the previous week, but down 15% from the 4-week average. The Netherlands took 85,000 metric tons. China took 61,500 metric tons, and Bangladesh took 61,000 metric tons. There were some light cancellations. New crop sales of 314,000 metric tons in soybeans. Soybeans in July, we're down 4 3/4 just before the report. Right now, they're down 5 1/4. November soybeans were down 5 1/2 before the report, and right now they're down 6 1/4. So they've lost about a penny. Corn, net sales of 600,700 metric tons, up 72% from the previous week and up 25% over the 4-week average. Mexico took 200,400 metric tons. Colombia took 109,700 metric tons. China took 60,800 metric tons. And the reaction, July corn was down 3 1/2 just before this release. Right now, corn is down 3 1/2, no change. New crop corn, December corn was down 4 before the report. Right now, it's down 4, so no change. Wheat, net sales of 373,400 metric tons. Mexico took 121,400. Nigeria took 56,600. Taiwan took 53,900. Wheat in July, just before the report, was down 1 1/2. Now, it's still down 1 1/2, so no change. Let's look at what's happened recently. Crop Progress came out Monday, and it showed, as far as grains go, it had shown that crop had maybe deteriorated a little bit more than people thought. Certainly it was the case in wheat. And in cotton, we were probably a little bit better than people had thought. 92% of the crop planted, 15% squaring, and 66% good to excellent in cotton. Those are a little better than people had anticipated there. Let's just take a look at what we could see in these markets. Start with July cotton. July cotton right now is trading 72.85, down 65. It could see a range in July of anywhere from 72 to the downside up to 78. It's very oversold, extremely oversold, and due for a bounce. December cotton right now is trading at 70.45, down 50. That could see as low as, in the near term, as low as 69. But I think a rally could come that could take it back towards 73 for those people that need to do some pricing. A bounce could take you back to a level to be a little bit more attractive for that. Soybeans. November soybeans right now are at 932 1/2, down 6 1/2. Could see a range there anywhere from a low of $9 over the coming month up to as high on a bounce of 960 if we can come back and see some weather concerns. December corn right now is trading 391 1/2, down 4. Could see a market there in December corn as low as 380, but as high as 405. September wheat. September wheat right now is down 2 at 455 and a quarter. Could see a range as low as 430, maybe even 425, and a high of 475. So let's take one last look at these markets. July cotton down 66 at 72.82. December cotton down 51 at 70.44. We have corn down 3 3/4. Soybeans down 5 1/2. Wheat down 2. So all the grain markets and all these markets have softened some. Even the wheat is starting to drop some, I think, in sympathy with beans and corn. So that's it. Have a good day. Thanks for joining us for the E3 Weekly Market Report. Thank you.